Hello doctors, introducing Dr. Smith Dominic from Rockwell, Texas. It was a pleasure to host us for Advanced Hair Restoration Fellowship Program.
Thank you.
So I would like her to share her feedback about the whole program.
Yes, I am excited to be here. This was an amazing experience. I was apprehensive at first because, just coming into hair transplant surgery, first timer, learning from one of the best. Of course, I was nervous, but being around Dr. Nagam, he makes you feel so comfortable. He's so patient. He explains the whole process, and the hands-on experience that you get here, you can't get anywhere else. And now, after being here for this fellowship for 30 days, I'm going back home to the US to bring these new technology, new techniques that I've learned here and be able to give it to us in the US. And I'm super excited about it. And I feel comfortable actually starting up my hair transplant journey. And it's not just, he doesn't just teach you the procedure, the right way to do it, how to be safe doing it, and how to get amazing results. But he goes even further with helping you market your business and being successful. And he doesn't, when you leave here, he doesn't just leave you. He's gonna follow me throughout the year, and I feel confident that I'm going to be a success because he's my mentor. And I recommend this program to anyone that's thinking about going on this journey. He's the one to come to. Absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Nagam, so much.
Thank you.